This is a tutorial how to get your box truck unstuck from the snow. Step number 1, shovel behind the tires all the way back, as wide as the tires are all the way back. Shovel in front of the rear tires about 3 feet up. That way, if you got to rock the truck forward, there's no snow, and you put sand down there. Got to get the front 3 feet up. Get that snow right out from underneath the tire, like right out from underneath it. Next step is to apply a plethora of sand behind the tire in the strip where the tire will be traveling. Make sure to get sand right up underneath the tire, like so. Now we will apply a copious amount of sand to the front of the tire in case you need to rock it forward to get it unstuck. You guys are doing a great job. Okay, so now we have sand in front and in rear of the tire. 2, 3.